Hey guys, good day. How are you? It's been a while for those of my subscribers. I'm really thank you for staying with me, staying with my channel, even though I'm not oftenly creating a video for you. But I hope you will stay there. You will still be my subscribers and watching those video I am going to create. Uh, Trust me, I will do my best to create more video blogs and programming tutorials uh, so that some of you will be benefit depending on your interest. Okay. Uh, this time, I will create a video tutorial on how you can capture the signature of the, say, visitor of your website, how you can digitally capture their signature, let's say your client or your customer. Uh, I'm going to demo it to you. As you can see here, something like this. And then when you click save, it's not saving yet to the database, but you will going to create a tutorial for that too, maybe separate tutorial. But on this scenario, just to preview it, to for us to know that the signature that we signed being captured by the web application. And then you can clear it. Then say your signature is not that, you will replace it with this new one and then save. So as you can see, it changed when you save. It means uh, it is working. Yeah, it works. Okay, so let's start now. Create project. Then we were going to use the Blazor web application standalone app because we will also publish it in AWS Amplify. Okay. So, okay, let's click it. Then, so let's name it signature capture app. Okay. And then this there is not empty. It's not empty. Let's just name it web app instead. Okay. Then click the next. Hang on, because it's hidden. Yeah. So you see there's a next here. Once you type the project name, click next, and then pick the framework .NET 8, and then pick the configure for HTTPS. Then click the create button. Just wait. Oops. Created our application. Then you'll see the initial files that has been created. We have a program, files, the app.razor, and then the imports. Then under the pages the folder, we have a home razor. And then under the www root, we have this files, CSS folder, then app.css, then the index. Okay, so let's run this and see if our initial app is working. Wait. Okay. It seems it's working because we have the hello world and welcome to your new web app. So this route here, since as you can see, it runs under the port 7117. Okay. And then there's no another route like this. So goes to home here. So if we change it, let's say we will add this capture signature and then save. Actually, you can hot reload. But if it doesn't work, so it works in this scenario. So capture signature. Okay. So let's continue. So in order to achieve this, we need a canvas. It's already built in an HTML file. Okay. This, that. So you see there's a div and then the class is signature container. Then the HTML tag is canvas. Then we name it, the ID is signature canvas. So this is the height and the width. So the style is this. You can post, guys, if you want to, type it, mimic it, doing the coding while I am speaking here, while I'm creating coding here. You can, post for a moment the video. And then after that, we need the buttons. As you remember, we had buttons, that clear and the save buttons. So this, so since the function it's not yet created, so it show an error. Okay. Then after that, once we click the save button, there's a preview, right? So this one, but we need to declare the button. The variable signature image URL. So we can do that by this code. Okay, we are just in a single page, single file, and then declare the variable signature image URL. Make it nullable. So as you can see, the error has gone. Then in this scenario, guys, we are going to use a JavaScript in order to capture the signature. Okay, so to do that, just go to www, then add the file, look for the JavaScript file, and then name it signature.js. Then in that file, add this code. This. Okay. So the window, add that signature, and then you're going to use this drawing and then the context. Then since we're going to capture the signature, we need to start we need to create a function where it likes drawing. So this is the codes for that. Yeah. Yes. So canvas ID, it's the name of the element, HTML tag that going to pass in this function. So in our case, this name, okay? And then within that function, you see it gets that element and then put it on the canvas variable. Then this. Then we need on that element, we will going to add a event listener, the mouse down and the mouse up, so that every time we move our mouse, it will track it. Then, as you can see here, once mouse down, it will set the value of its drawing variable as true. And then if mouse up, it will become false. Then begin the context. Then when mouse move, yeah, this is the codes. Okay. So after that, we're going to add another two function where uh, the signature will be, preview or save. So we going to need this function. Yeah. I'm just, copy and paste it so that this video won't be long, right? Just post it if you need to, code it on your side, copy it. So this is the save canvas where, as you can see, it gets the ID of the element. Yeah. And then show it here, like this one. Okay. Then, in order to achieve this clear functionality, you need this function. All right. So 2D again, and then this will clear that so that you can sign again. Okay, you can sign a new signature. Then we are done with our JavaScript. So in order to the Blazor to, execute these functions that we are created, we need to add it under the index.html file. So in order to do that, add these codes. Under this line. So add these codes. The name of our JavaScript file is signature.js. Then after that, go to the home. So as you can see here, we still have this clear signature and save signature. We need to attach the functions that we created. This. So in order to do that, we're going to add this. Going to override the on after render. Okay. So see here, the signature that's starting, and then the name of our HTML tab or that canvas element. I'm referring to this. Yeah, see, signature canvas and this. So the Blazor will invoke it using JS runtime. But there's an error, say does not contain a definition for invoke void, because we need to import the JS runtime. So we can import that by injecting. I'm sorry, we need to inject that, not importing. So, okay, there has gone. And then, so let's run it. Let's run it for now. Then, oh, I got an error because these two function uh, were not yet created. So for the meantime, let's not add the function for the meantime. Okay, let's just see if our signature will appear once we move the mouse. Okay, so the error has gone at the error list. Okay, and then all right, so we had this user interface now. As you can see, capture signature. Then we had this box. So that box is this coach. Okay, so let's move the mouse. Okay, so you can see, yeah, it seems it's capturing signature. Let's say that is your signature, guys. It's really hard to replicate. So when we click clear, you see there's nothing happening. So let's add the function for that. So to do that, we need these functions. For the clear signature, we need to attach the clear canvas that we were created earlier. That's for signature, clearing signature. And then for the save functionality, we'll need to add that. So since it is async, I make sure it's await. Yeah, you add this keyword await. Since our function is asynchronous function. So see here, signature clear canvas, and then the name of the canvas element, and then the signature save canvas, followed by the name of the canvas element. So let's go back to the signature.js, as you can see here. So these two, right? So now we have codes to attach those functions. Then let's try to click this hot reload and see if our function took effect. Okay, clear. So it's not, but it says code changes were applied. I think we need to reload the page. Okay, let's see. One more time. Then when we click clear, oh, it still doesn't work. It seems we need to restart. We need to restart. Okay, so it restart now. And then click clear. Still, it's nothing happened. Why was that? Let's check. Save here. Remember guys, I don't add the on click here. Yeah, because I removed it earlier. So on click, then the name of the signature function or the clear function. Yeah, that. And then on click again, then the save signature. Okay. Okay, you got that now. Maybe removing it is fine. Okay. Yeah. So let's try it again. It should work now. Let's remove this. And then, oh, still not. Why is it? Ah, I missed this. This guy. Okay. It's working now. So try to sign in again. To sign. Save. All right. We have a signature preview now. Then click. Then try to sign again. Save. Okay. Clear. All right. Save. Okay. So it's working now, guys. So thank you for watching my video. The next step is we're going to deploy it in AWS.